Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'll share with you a very good news if you are a freelancer. State Bank of Pakistan has issued a framework for opening of freelancers digital accounts in Pakistan. This step has been taken to facilitate the freelancers and IT exporters. With passage of every day, the freelancers are increasingly engaged in export of IT and IT-enabled services. And the State Bank of Pakistan is acknowledging the significance of the freelancers. Often the bank account opening process is not simple in Pakistan and face difficulties in opening their accounts and uh, receiving and disbursing their payments to local and overseas vendors and employees. Through this framework, State Bank of Pakistan has increased the retention limit of IT exporters from current 35% to 50% of their export proceeds in the exporter's specialized foreign currency account, which is called ESFCAs. This framework is not limited to the new customers, but existing freelancers, digital accounts or FDAs will automatically be considered to have been opened under this improved framework. The process of opening of bank accounts has been made very simple. State Bank has advised the banks to facilitate the freelancers in issuance of debit cards, enabling IT exporters to make online payments from the balance available in their accounts. These bank accounts can now be opened digitally as well as physically, whatever they choose, with the minimum documentation required to open the account. These ESFCAs shall be opened concurrently with the opening of their primary Pakistani rupee account as well as the foreign currency account. The freelancers can make all the payments through these accounts without any approval from State Bank of Pakistan or their respective banks. This is a very positive feature of this account. You can read and download the framework from the State Bank of Pakistan's official website. If we quickly go through the framework, the key features include eligibility of the freelancers or customers includes all individuals resident in Pakistan and engaged in the provision of any digital or online services, including IT and IT-enabled services, against which the payments are received from outside Pakistan. The mode of onboarding may be in person or remotely through digital means, as I already told you. Then the information required at the time of account opening has been provided, including the CNIC, NICOP or POC numbers, date of issuance, name, father name, spouse name, date of birth, and all details. Then some declarations are required during the process of account opening, such as an undertaking that the source of the funds is from the freelance activities, and undertaking to confirm beneficial ownership of the funds, Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act FATCA Common Reporting Standards Declaration, acceptance of the terms and conditions of the account, and consent to use the information documents provided for the due diligence and supervisory functions. Then scanned copy of your CNIC, NICOP or POC, whatever relates to you. A live photo of the customer will be taken at the time of registration. Signatures, it can be wet, digital or electronic or any other type of signatures or authentication recommended by the banks. Then verification, risk profiling, and other features. When the bank receives the application for opening the bank account, a due diligence will be taken by the bank, which includes the biometric verification. It can be in app or in the bank branch. Or in case biometric verification is not possible, the bank may utilize Nadra's Verisis, which is widely available in Pakistan. Then screening of the prospective customer against applicable sanctions regimes to ensure that the services are not provided to prescribed or designated individuals. In case of digital onboarding, some additional verifications are required, which includes checking that the application is a human by deploying a CAPTCHA, verification of contact details through one-time password received through cell phone or email or callback. In case where biometric verification is not possible due to the genuine reasons, verification of any two particulars of the customers from the information received through Nadra Verisis, such as mother's maiden name, place of birth, etc., which are not available on the identity cards or the documents, will be conducted. The bank shall ensure that the data privacy protection, safety, and security of the information documents through reliable IT security measures are taken. Upon receipt of these satisfactory verifications, the bank will open the account. Then obviously we are a part of the international world, and some international laws also apply to us, such as FATF law, etc. So bank may seek additional information from the customers on their ongoing internal risk assessment and compliance frameworks, or it may carry out periodic reprofiling of the customer in accordance with the risk management framework, including turnover in the account. So these are some of the key features of the accounts or the framework which has been issued by the State Bank of Pakistan. This is a very good news for the exporters or the freelancers who often provide small but very valuable services to the international customers and receive money online through their bank accounts, and they have to pay for their expenses locally as well as overseas, and for which State Bank of Pakistan or the respective banks have certain requirements, and it takes a lot of time to comply with them. So with this framework, the opening of this new account, the payments will be very easy, and no state bank or your own bank rigorous verifications or the inquiries are required. I hope this will ease out to the freelancers, and it will be welcomed by the IT industry and the freelancers who are engaged in the overseas provision of services to their customers. In case you have any questions, comments, you can ask. Thank you very much. Have a good time. See you again.